Want to shrink your waistline, fight bloating, and boost energy naturally? Today I'm showing you 3 delicious green smoothies that are quick, easy, and packed with nutrients to help flatten your belly. Let's get started. Add spinach plus cucumber fiber, hydration to fight bloating. Squeeze lemon, vitamin C, E detox support. Add ginger boosts metabolism naturally. Pour water. Blend until smooth. Drink this first thing in the morning for a tangy metabolism boosting start to your day. Add spinach, plus cucumber fiber plus hydration, squeeze lime alkaline, vitamin C support, toss in mint soothes digestion, reduces bloating, pour coconut water natural electrolytes for energy, blend creamy, refreshing. A refreshing smoothie to hydrate and calm your tummy while supporting belly fat loss. Add spinach, plus cucumber fiber, plus hydration. Add pineapple, natural sweetness, plus enzymes for digestion. Add ginger boosts metabolism, flavor. Pour liquid, blend until smooth. This tropical smoothie tastes like a treat while helping reduce bloating and support fat burning naturally. And there you have it. 3 easy, nutrient-packed smoothies that can help you flatten your belly, reduce bloating, and start your day full of energy. Try all 3, rotate them in your morning routine, and let me know your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for daily health hacks, smoothies, and fat-burning tips.